Hello and welcome to my channel. In this JavaScript exercise, we will be answering the question you can see on my screen. If you haven't chosen your solution yet, feel free to pause the video, and once you are ready, we can go through it together. So for the variable result to hold the integer 2, you have to use two parentheses. Let me illustrate this further by running the code in my browser's console. As you can see, the outer func has an inner func nested inside it. The outer function returns the inner function, and inner function returns 1 plus 1. We then assign outer function to the variable get2. If I access get2 without any parentheses, it will simply return the complete outer func function reference. If I use only one set of parentheses, we are invoking the outer function, which returns inner func. And so the result will be the code of the inner function itself. However, if I use two parentheses, JavaScript will invoke both the outer and the inner function, and so I will end up with the returned value of inner func, which is 2, as 1 plus 1 evaluates to this. For further JavaScript exercises and solutions, visit pmcoding.co.uk/trickyjs, where you can take the complete quiz. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe for more front-end tutorials. For any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time!